Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we are going to be speed modeling a donut. So let's get started. First of all, we're going to delete this cube, get that cube out of here. And I think I want to add a torus. Probably make it a bit thicker. Thinking like 60. It looks good. Maybe like 30. Let's make the major radius not that big. It looks pretty. I think it looks decent actually. Okay, I'll take it. Then we're going to wireframe, edit mode, select one of the axes, the x-axis. And we're gonna copy that, Control D, cool, escape P, selection. So now we have this exclusive object right here. So this is gonna be the donut part. Let me rename that to donut. And this will be the frosting. Cool. So now if we go to object mode, we can see we have two different objects here. Cool. Now I'm going to apply a material to the first object here. Add new material. We'll just call this one frosting. And we will make it kind of a pinkish color. How does that look? That looks fine. And then for the donut, we're going to add new material. I'm going to call this one donut texture, donut like dough, the stuff that makes a donut, like the brow stuff. And we're going to add it. It looks like about an orangish kind of color. How does that look? Looks decent. Okay. And now we're going to take this object, scale it up a bit. Yeah. Okay. I'm going to add a modifier to make it a little thicker. Yeah, looks good. Now we're going to add our sprinkles. So we're just going to go to surface, add a cylinder, make it a bit smaller, extrude a bit. Looks like a decent sprinkle. Put it there, rotate it. Looks good. Shift D, duplicate it, put it there. Add more sprinkles everywhere. I'm gonna add a material before I get too carried away. I'm gonna call it sprinkle. If I can get that right, sprinkle. And I'm gonna do something with that later. I'm gonna try to apply it to every single cylinder. 2, 3, 4. So they all should have it. Cool. Duplicate this one. Goes up to 5. Good, good, good. Move that up a bit. Move it to the x-axis. Move it down a little more. Make some more sprinkles. Move it up a bit. Move it to the x a bit. Move it to the y. I'll rotate these a bit at the end. Lock axis, Control G. I should Shift D, not that one. Okay. I want to copy that, Shift D, right there. And we'll add a few more sprinkles, I guess. One there. G. No. Get out of your wireframe. Okay, I guess I won't add that one. Yeah, I want that one. Cool. Okay. And I'm gonna add it to the probably right here. Okay. Let's rotate some of these a bit. Rotate. Okay, that one is rotated. This one needs a bit of rotation too. A little bit more down. Okay, a little more rotation here. Cool. A little bit more rotation there. That looks good. Okay. Rotate this one, move this one a bit too, and rotate it, move it down. And then next we're gonna texture. I think we textured, yeah. So we need to get the, yes. Sink in the frosting a bit. These are some big frosting chunks actually. Sink it down. Okay. Perfect. Sink it down a bit more. And looks like I get some frosting. Okay. I think they all have it. Yes, so they all have that thing. All have the material. And we're gonna go here, we're on the sprinkle material. We're gonna go here and we're gonna add a color ramp. We're gonna add that just there. And then we're going to add a, what's it called? Not random. What's it called? Something to do with, not that one either. It is called a, I totally forgot, what's it called? It's volume info. No, I did that one already. What was it called again? I think it was color attribute. No, something to do with color. No. Sorry about this. I totally forgot what it was called. Object info. It's object info. Yeah. So put it there. And now we can remove all this. We can add one. Sprinkles typically are color. I'll make one red. Put it like there. Add some more. Like 5 of them. So now we're creating random kind of texture colors for the sprinkles because sprinkles are different colors. This one will make it like a kind of greenish color. And then for this one, we'll make it like a blue color. And then this one, make it a yellow kind of color. And then for this one, we'll make a sort of, like that. Color doesn't look right. This one doesn't look right. Move that one. Okay. Not that. Okay. And we go back and not sculpting, go to layout, go to this. And there is our donut. Quick, sorry about that shading part, but yeah, that's how you just do a quick donut. It'll be a lot faster if I get the shading right. But there's the donut. There it is in all of its glory. If I go to, might look better here. There it is, the donut. Let me move this marker. I don't want to move it too much time. But yeah, there's donut. And I hope you enjoyed that video and thank you for watching.